Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this modern house design. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to start off the second floor, and then we added some floors and the railing. And here, we're gonna continue working on this. So let's go to level 2 and check out what we did. So as you can see, we put some dimensions. We are already put some furniture. And what we could do is we could add in the roof. But before that, let's go back to south elevation. And we're gonna add a level 4. So you could click this one, the level, and then click on copy, which is CO. And we're gonna put it up around 500. And then in order for us to see it on this floor plan, we need to go to view and plan view and then floor plan, and then it's already highlighted, so just press OK. Once you do, we'll be able to see it here. So let's go back to level 2, and then we could add in the roof first. So we could go to architecture and then roof, and let's edit this type and duplicate. So this will be roof number 1, and then let's change the thickness to 200, and then the materials to something different. We just need to set anything that is different to others, so that once we move it to Twinmotion, we can set it up there as its final material. So here I'm just checking which one I haven't used yet, so I haven't used this one, and then OK, and then OK. Let's change the base level to level 3. Click apply, and then let's use rectangle. So here I'm gonna put the before we click anything else, let's uncheck define slope, and then let's add in the roof. For now, I'm gonna add the roof like this. And then once I did that, because I want this area to be above, so that's why we have a level 4. So we're gonna increase the height of the walls. So what I'm gonna click next is line, and then we're just gonna use the line to go over this. And then let's use a line. So AL. So let's align it here. And I think we were able to align it from here. So next thing we're going to do is TR, or trim and extend. We're just going to trim it here, and then on this. And then after that, click finish. And let's look at it at 3D. So as you can see, we were able to do this. So now let's go to level 3, and then let's just add a wall. So that wall will be an exterior wall, and let's use exterior wall number 1. And for this, we will just go up to level 4, and then let's use rectangle. I'm gonna use like this, And then after that, I'm gonna align it. So let's align EL. I'm gonna align it from here. And then align it here. So actually, let's just move it first and then EL. And then let's look at it at 3D. So as you can see, we're just adding a design on top of it. So once we're done, we could go back to level 3 and add in another roof. So we could use roof number 1 again, and then rectangle, and base level will be level 4, and as you can see, it's already unchecked. Let's use the endpoint and then click finish. So now it looks like this. So next thing we're gonna do is let's go to level 3 and then click on wall, and then let's go down to curtain wall, and then let's just add a curtain wall window below here. So I press spacebar so that you could go from inner to outer, and then let's add it here as well. And then after that, let's go and look at it. So as you can see, it's not visible yet. So we need to go to modify and cut geometry. So wall first, and then the curtain wall. Wall first, and then the curtain wall. So there we go. We could go now to south elevation. And then from south elevation, we can now align the width. So AL. So I'm going to use tab in order to circulate the selection. So earlier it was here. Now after that, as you can see, there's the selection. I'm going to select this and change it there. You select this again and change the width there. Also with this, we're gonna copy this width. So click tab in order to change selection, and then click it again. This one is already selected, so we don't need to click on tab. So right now we're ready to change or to add mullions to our window. So press escape and then go to architecture, and let's add in curtain grids. So this one we're gonna divide it by 3. So I'm gonna click it for now like that. And as you can see, this is all divided by 3. So that was easy. I'm gonna divide it by 2, and then 2 again, and then 2 here. This one will be at the same, so 3, and then 3. This one will be 2. And then we're gonna add in something like this. And then for this one, we're gonna divide it by 3. So now this one is not divided. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to estimate something like this. It's good enough. And let's not forget this part. I want to copy this height. So we could put it now like that and then AL. So we're gonna copy this. So click tab in order to choose different selection. And as you can see, it was easy enough to copy the height. And then after that, we can now click on mullions and then all grids. Let's look at 50 by 150 first. So I like this. So I'm just going to use that with all. And for the ones right here, let's click on mullions as well, all grid. And let's just add it like that. And let's go to 3D view and add it on this corner. We could go at the back and let's clean up the windows here. So let's go to north elevation. So as you can see, it looks like this. What we could do is we could pull this inner like that. And then we're gonna copy the width. So AL, this width to this width, and then this width to this one. And let's do it here as well. So AL, and after that, let's pull this down. And then AL to copy that height. And we could do this one here as well. It's too much. I'm just gonna delete that. And then AL again. Okay. So once we're done with that, let's add in the curtain grid again. So let's add it only once here. Like that. And then let's add it 3 times here. Like that as well. And let's put it like that as a design. And then after that, let's click on mullion and select all grid. So we're gonna add the grids like that. I want to change this. I want to give it a longer height, and then let's erase this for now. And then let's add in a curtain grid. Yeah. Okay, so let's put it down and then add in mullions. So it looks like that. And then after this, before we do any further design, I just want to look at how everything is done. So we're just gonna change some of the design. I'm just looking at this one, and then we're gonna extend this a little bit. So the roof. So I'm just gonna edit the footprint, and I'm just gonna extend it a little bit like so. And then click finish. Also for this one, I want to edit the footprint. So let's go to level 3. Now let's go back to level 2. And I want to push this back all the way here. Like that. Let's use align instead. Finish. Something like that. But now I want it from the inside, so I'm going to edit this again. So I'm going to use align. And then after that, once I click finish, I'm going to select this and then base offset -200. And then in order for this not to be shown, I'm going to detach this. So you can select a lot if you hold on control button and then click on attach top face and then click on this, so it will disappear. So now it looks like this. So everything is taking shape. We're gonna continue this on the next video. So for now, we're gonna leave it like this. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.